In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign an Adobe Acrobat document. Whether you're dealing with important work paperwork or personal documents, learning how to sign a PDF digitally can save you time and make document management more efficient. So let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to accomplish this. First, you'll want to start on the Adobe Acrobat homepage. If you've already been working on a specific document and have a file ready to sign, you can easily navigate to your previous files. However, if you need to create a new document first, make sure that's done and saved properly. Ensuring that your document is properly set up is the first step to a smooth signing process. Once you have your document ready, you'll need to locate the Recent Documents section on your homepage. This area conveniently displays your recently accessed documents, making it easy to select the file you want to sign. Click on the document you intend to work with. This helps Adobe Acrobat know which file you are focusing on, allowing you to proceed with the signing swiftly. After opening your document, you'll want to look for the e-sign option, which is crucial for adding your digital signature. Clicking on e-sign will give you several options, and from these, you need to select Add Signature. This whole part of the process is designed to integrate your signature seamlessly into the digital document, making your signature legally binding, just like a handwritten one. Upon choosing Add Signature, you'll be prompted with different ways to create your signature. Go for the Draw option if you wish to manually sign using a mouse or a digital pen. This step is particularly helpful if you want your signature to reflect your authentic handwritten style. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, take a careful look to ensure everything is accurate and that you're happy with the signature you've created. The Draw feature is especially useful for creating a signature that feels personal and closely resembles the one you use on paper. After you've drawn your signature, go ahead and hit Save. By doing this, you're telling Adobe Acrobat that your signature is finalized and ready to be used on the document. This step commits your signature to the page, indicating that you've reviewed and approved all the content just as if you had signed it by hand. And that's it! You have now successfully signed your document using Adobe Acrobat. This process not only simplifies handling documents in the digital age, but ensures that your documents remain secure and professional. I hope these steps were clear and easy to follow, giving you the confidence to handle PDF documents like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy document signing!